Hey everybody, this is kind of part three of my screencasting videos. Once you've made your screencasts, whether you use Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic, I found the easiest way to share them is to go ahead and upload them to YouTube. Both screencasting programs have a feature to do that. You'll have to play with it and see how it works. For those of you that aren't real familiar with YouTube, everybody has a channel on our branded account. So the way you get to that is you need to go to YouTube, however you choose to do it. I have a hot link here. You can also go through the waffles because YouTube is actually a Google product. Click on YouTube, get you to your YouTube account. And then basically, if you click on the initial up here, it says your channel. You go to your channel, and this will be where all your videos that you have uploaded wind up going. So once you've figured out what video that is, the easiest way to do it is really to go ahead and open up the video you want. Hopefully I won't talk too much.
AK, here's what I kind of came up with YouTube. So once you've got your video and it loads into your account.
Oh, there we go. Now I can make it stop.
YouTube here.
Okay. So you have your video. Up here is the actual title. If you just click on this, it'll highlight it. Then you can double click and it'll do a drop down menu. If you just copy it, then let's say I want to put it in my Google Classroom. I can just go to my Google Classroom. Find the right one. I go into here, and then I will, if I wanted to just make a new assignment, I'd put it in however I want material, add YouTube file, and paste that copied in there. And there's the video, and I would just go ahead and add it. Now that video is right there into that material, and then I could go ahead and post it, and it'd be up there for the kids to view or parents to view or whoever to view. If you aren't going to use it for Google Classroom, you can do the same thing by copying that link. Say you wanted to put it in as an email, and you just open up your email account, and then you would compose an email to people. And then once you've got whoever you're going to send it to in the subject, if you click down on this little thing that says insert link, you can insert a link here. If you put everything into this bottom box and paste it, it will autofill all of those, and then it'll give you a link right into your email. If parents click on that, it will open up the video, the YouTube video for them. So pretty nice way to share stuff to parents, especially if you're going to make your own video, whether it's a teaching video or whatever it is. There's a lot of ways to use it. So I hope these videos have helped. If anybody needs help with anything, please let me know. There's plenty of other experts in the building as well, but I did this for a couple of people who asked me to. So if anybody needs something, please let me know. We're going to get through this and be stronger all together when it's all said and done. So have a great day.